What's up, you guys? And it's the beginning of day number 3. So I'm gonna get ready and head to the gym. It's about 5:30 right now, and get this hustle on. So let's get ready to work out. Alright, since it's super early, I had to make a little bit of pre-workout. Right here, I'll show you. But I'm gonna get all the stuff that I need loaded in the car and head to the gym. Let's get to it.
I did it legitly. I'm still with the I'm a hot. Oh, you asking for pics?
That's it for the gym, you guys. So I just made it back to my house. I'm gonna go ahead and run inside, get changed, eat some breakfast, and get on the road for work. So I'll see you guys. Alright, so I'm pulling up to the air pump right now. One of my tires says it's low. Like, I don't know how you get to the little thing notifications, but it's been telling me it's low, so I'm gonna change that out. So there's the air pump. And yeah, this is how you feel air. 51 PSI, max PSI. This is so stressful. I feel like I'm running out of time. Now all I gotta do is get a little bit of gas. Now we're good to go. I think I'm gonna head to the vape shop real fast so I can get some vape juice. My boss had sent me a text message a couple days ago and asked me to change the light bulb in one of the bathrooms, and there's a guy showering in there right now, so I'm having to wait. And so I guess I'm just gonna chill here for a few minutes before I change that bulb. So apparently it's got these type of ends, so I'm gonna have to go find this bulb and put it in here. Alright, you guys, I just got here to swap out the light bulb and went in and talked to the lady. She said since the last time I had purchased the bulb from, it was the Duracell brand, she gave me the exact same bulb for free. So that's a win. Thank you, Batteries Plus, for that. Now I'm gonna get back over to Second Loop and swap this out. Alright, you guys, I just got done swapping out the seatbelt on this bike, or this back extension behind me. It had worn through right here and it was kind of messed up, so we changed that out. Plus it will keep you locked down to the seat a lot better, so that you can really get down on that lower back movement. Anyways, I got this license plate to go put on one of our Fitness World vehicles. I'm going to take care of that. Alright, so I made it to Dillon, South Carolina, and I'm going to get out of this vehicle, but I'm going to get some of these parts together and go inside and see if we can fix something. I think that pretty much wraps everything up for Dillon, South Carolina. And I'm gonna head home now. If I do have a little bit more time, I got Palmetto, which needs another one of them springs on one of the seats over there. And then I think I got a part that goes on at Ladies that I can put on as well. So that's gonna either be sitting on the weekend and wait until Monday, or up there taking care of that I needed to take care of. And my boss called me. He wants to vinyl wrap the outside of my vehicle. So I'm going to be headed to Florence to get it washed up real fast and meet up with Christina so that we can get over to Darlington and drop it off before my hair appointment that's at 6 o'clock. Alright, I just made it to the hair salon, so I'm going to get this beard and everything fixed up. I got some like... So, let's make a change.